Sorry, my friends. I just did this whole thing by myself. Thought I was talking to you? I wasn't. All right, so this doesn't start with 1. This starts with 2. Do you see 2? I see 2. Here's 2. All right, we'll put 2 right here. What comes after 2? 1, 2, 3. Do you see 3? I see 3. Here's 3. All right, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Do you see 4? I see 4. 4 is right here. Okay, what comes after 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excuse me. Here's number 5. All right, we're making our picture. We have a lot of Saturn going. All right, what's after 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you see 6? I see 6. My gerbils are running around. All right, number 6. What comes after 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you see 7? I see 7. 7's right here. Let's put 7 together. Here we go. So 7, what comes after 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 comes after 7. What comes after 7? What comes after 8? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9. What's next? 9, 10. And last but not least, what number? 11. And the last piece of Saturn is together. See? Good job. We put Saturn together. All right, I'm going to take out my other one. So we ended with number, see if I can grab it. Ended with number 11. Now we're going to go from that. So I'll keep 11 off to the side so we can remember what number it starts with. So I'll put my numbers out. This one goes to 21. So it is going to be a little bit harder. But I know you could do it. I know you guys are smart. You've counted with me before. So we're just going a little higher than normal. But you guys should be able to do it. You guys have counted to 100 before to get to our 100th day of school. So no, you'll have no problem with this. All right, so we started with number 11. So, I'm going to sneeze. Hold on a second. Oh my goodness. All right. I am sorry, my allergies are crazy. So 11, do you know what number comes after 11? 12. A 1 and a 2 is 12. So 11, 12. What comes after 12? 13. You see my 13? I know I do. Here's 13. We're making up Mars. 13. 14. Do you see my number 14? I do. Here it is. It's the start of our planet. Start of our planet, Mars. All right, 14. What's next? 15. Here's our 15. 15. 16. Do you see 16? I know I do. Here it is. Number 16. A 1 and a 6. 16. 17. Do you see 17? It's a 1 and a 7. Here it is, number 17. Right, put that next to 16, 17. We're almost done. Do you see 18? It's a 1 and a 8. Where is the 1 and the 8? Push the 11 away. 18. What's next? 19. Guys are good. What's next? 20. Holy moly, what's after 20? 21. And that completes our puzzle. Look at that. We made Mars. Guys aren't like so I found some information on Uranus's moon called Miranda. The reason it's a very strange landscape. They don't understand why it looks. The reason it's so strange is that they think that it almost looks like a Frankenstein, which, you know, Frankenstein, like the monster, that it was pieced together with different parts of a planet. It just doesn't look like it has, it says collections of ridges and valleys and craters, terrains from sharp boundaries, like mismatched pieces of everything just formed together. So it doesn't look like a nice cohesive planet. It just looks like a bunch of puzzle pieces pushed together that don't quite match. So this is a picture of it. Let's see if I can move down. It has like it's a 3D image, so you can like move it around, but like I hope that's not part of the planet, because it looks, I'm assuming that they just don't have imagery on that side, but it looks very, it has a lot of craters, it has a lot of canyons and ridges and patterns that just don't make sense. So that's why, and nobody really knows why. So they're trying to figure that out, but they really actually don't know why. It's a very, very strange landscape, and it takes a lot of attention. So I'm going to look up some facts about Pluto. I love Pluto, I think, because it's probably the farthest planet in our solar system that revolves around the sun. And it's tiny. It's very, very, very small. And my dogs agree with me. Let's see. I'm trying to find some facts about it that will make sense to you. It's a great mystery, and it takes I think it takes almost like 7 years for a probe to reach. I know they sent one out a long time ago, and it just reached there maybe a year or two ago. So, I mean, it takes a long, long, long time to get there, and it is very small, and it's the farthest planet from the sun. It's the largest dwarf planet. Like I said, it's a dwarf planet in our solar system. Like I said, it's a big giant. It's made of rock and ice because it is far from the sun, so it does not get much heat. It's talking about how it was made a dwarf planet. It's really not many people, they don't know much about this planet because it is so far in our solar system, and it is small. So here's some pictures of it though. It looks pretty cool. Look at that. See? Look, it looks like a heart. If I get stuck in the reflection from my windows. It's like mostly ice and rock. They say snakeskin terrain. It looks actually pretty much like snakeskin. But I don't really, oh yeah. Hey, look at this. A distinct feature on Pluto's surface is a large heart-shaped region. Just said it looked like a heart, didn't I? And it's covered, on the left side of the region, an area that takes on shape of an ice cream cone is covered with carbon monoxide ice. Aw, the heart of Pluto. How nice. You can see right there. Whoops. Right there. I do like Pluto. I'm going to have to read some more up on that. All right, back to our activity. Okay, I have printed out a bunch of puzzles, and they are numbered. This doesn't start at 1. It does start with 2, but let's count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this goes to 11, and it's our Saturn. Then Mars. Let's count. So we stopped at 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So Mars. And if you even want to go up further, I have a bunch more that have numbers on them. All the planets, they are numbered, but they go in order. So they don't all start at 1. So I'm going to cut them up and we're going to put them in order. Sound like a plan? All right, let's get started. Mars, you can put it back together like Humpty Dumpty and the Knight's Men. All righty. So that concludes my number puzzle with our planets. There is more. You can find them. I found mine on Pinterest. I have not used these in the classroom yet. I actually found them this year. I planned on using them this year. So I'm glad that I did get a chance to. They go, there is several, and they all go up to different numbers. This is in the 40s, the 20s. This is another teens one, 30s, 20s, and 30s. So they mostly go up to the 20s and 30s, but it is a good puzzle to practice with, to learn your numbers with counting and what they look like. So I hope you had fun today with our counting and finding out more about our planets. I encourage you to go on to your iPads and to look at the different planets and find out more information on them. And I would love for you to share it with me. All right, my friends, I hope you have a good day, and I will see you later.